Hi everyone. So here I have an important update about CET 2021, which is an entrance exam if you wish to get into colleges like Jamnalal Bajaj and the other top B schools in Maharashtra. So my name is Ronak Shah and I welcome all of you to this Unacademy MBA channels for preparations. So make sure all of you have subscribed to this channel, and we are very soon starting completely new batch for CET 2021 preparation on our YouTube channels, where you can learn completely at a free of cost. Now, if you are from Maharashtra or outside Maharashtra, but if you are targeting college like Jamnalal Bajaj, Sydenham, Wellinger, Pumba, and many other B schools, then CET is the exam that you should be targeting, right? And as you know, CET every year is conducted somewhere in the month of March. So this year also it is expected to be conducted in the month of March, but there is a change in the paper pattern. So recently, the Department of Technical Education has come up with this announcement, and I have got it for you over here. So please watch this video till the end, and please don't forget to like this video, and please share it with your friends also. So before we go ahead guys, make sure that you have subscribed to both this channel of Unacademy, that is Unacademy Cat and Unacademy Cat for MBA. You can also be part of my Telegram group so that you can get daily updates and regular preparation. So talking about this Department of Technical Education, their official website for MBA program is cetcell.ma@cet.org. So on that they regularly publish the important information and provide the important updates. So recently they have come up with this one, that there will be a paper pattern change in 2021. Okay, so what is the change? So if you look at, the number of questions have remained same. In fact, the number of sections and the number of questions per section have remained same. Marking scheme, as you know, CET doesn't have any negative marking, so it has remained same. So total there will be 200 questions, but the time has been reduced to 120 minutes. So usually till last year CET used to be of 150 minutes, and in 150 minutes you had to solve 200 questions. Of course, even if you solve about 140 questions correctly, you can expect a seat in JBIMS, because there is no group discussion, personal interview and all. It is straight away based on the merit. So but this year, since there is a paper pattern change, so I'm sure there are many apprehensions in the mind of the students that what will be the cutoff, how are we going to tackle it. So don't worry, I'll give you the strategy for that. And yes, once again, through our daily life sessions, you can definitely be well prepared for that. Okay, so अभी जैसे मैंने आपको बताया, नया पेपर पैटर्न क्या है, टोटल क्वेश्चन 200 ही रहेंगे, टोटल टाइम 120 मिनट्स का रहेगा, नो नेगेटिव मार्किंग गाइज, एंड द मोड ऑफ एग्जाम विल बी ऑनलाइन एज इट हैज बीन देयर, राइट. सो सम अदर इंफॉर्मेशन के उसकी एप्लीकेशन कब से शुरू होती है. तो नॉर्मली सेकंड या थर्ड वीक ऑफ जैन से उसके एप्लीकेशंस शुरू होते हैं, रजिस्ट्रेशन प्रोसेस शुरू होता है, फेब तक चलता है, एंड उनका एग्जाम सेकंड वीक ऑफ मार्च में नॉर्मली होता है. दिस ईयर दिस मे बी डिलेड अ बिट, but once again I can see that most of the exam conducting bodies are trying to bring things back on the track. So once again you can expect it to happen, say in second or third week of March. Number of good colleges, if I talk about, so there are about 4 good colleges. Once again, Jamnalal Bajaj, Sydenham, Wellinger and KG Sumaya. So all these colleges have either MBA program or MMS program, which is equivalent to MBA, for which you may want to appear for CET. Earlier there used to be KJ Somaiya also, but then now KJ Somaiya has become an autonomous university, so they have come out of the Maharashtra University, and that's why they are accepting CAT, ZAT, CMAT scores for admission. But still you have the very premier college like Jamnalal Bajaj, one of the most coveted college, so you can think of targeting CET, right? So what will be the cutoff for Jamnalal Bajaj? So guys, usually when the exam used to be of 150 minutes, 200 questions, then the cutoff was about 135 to 140. But this year it will definitely drop down to about 110 plus. Okay, so what you can do is, you can, once again, just to remind you, you can subscribe to this channel, YouTube channels, and you can be part of my Telegram group, so that you will get notification and updates whenever we start the batch. As I mentioned, very soon we are starting with the complete batch for CET 2021 preparation. You really don't need to look here and there. This Unacademy will be your one-stop solution. So stay tuned and keep learning with us. Thank you.